Hello traders, this is AJ Capital, and in this video you will learn my 20 candles and profit day trading strategy, and by the end of this video you will be able to apply this trading strategy in your own trading account. And in this strategy that I'm about to share with you, you can apply it literally in any market and also in any time frame, even though it works the best in the hourly time frame, but it also works in the other time frames. And because I am giving you one of my profitable strategies right here, then all I want in return is to simply hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bells, and comment down below. It will help our channel grow in YouTube. It will benefit the YouTube algorithms, and it will show our videos to more and more people. And I create more and more videos, free courses right here in this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's actually get right into it. We will not have the intro in this video. So what we are looking at right here is the euro dollar in the hourly time frame. So that is actually the first rule. The first rule in this strategy is that we are trading in the hourly time frame, but like I said earlier, this strategy actually works in any time frame, but it works the best in the hourly time frame. So we are going to stick to the hourly time frame. Right now, what we are going to do is we are going to count from 1 to 20. Can you count from 1 to 20? If you can, then you will get this trading strategy. You will learn it in a second. But if you can't learn from 1 to 20, then I think you will struggle right here. So that is actually exactly what we are going to do. We are going to count 20 candles, literally, as the title of the strategy say. We are going to count 20 candles, and this will be candle number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 candles right here, and if you are in trading view, then you can make your job a lot easier. So you actually don't have to learn how to count from 1 to 20. Use this feature in TradingView. It's a free trading platform. And then just start in the candle that you want to start counting from. So from here, and then drag it to the left, and you will see right now we are at 11 parts. So we are at 11 candles, 12, 13, all the way to 20 right here. So these are 20 candles. Now once we determined the most recent 20 candles starting from the current candle, so the current candle is this one right here, and 20 candles to its left, it will be up to this candle right here. Right now, our rule, and actually the only rule in this trading strategy, because it is super simple but very effective, is that we want to make sure that the range of this candle, the current candle right now, is bigger than the range of all of the 20 candles to its left. Right now you might be asking me, hey AJ, what in the world is the range? What are you talking about? Well, the range is simply the total distance that these candles traveled in their body. So as you know, in every candle we have an open. So this candle, for example, the green candle right here, this represents 1 hour of time in price movements, because we are in the hourly time frame. And we have the open, so the price opened at the open of this hour right here. It closed at this level, and the high of the price movements in this hour is right here. This is the high, and this is the low. Right now, what we are interested in is only the body distance. So from the close to the open, so only the colored rectangle, the distance right here is what we are interested in. So we are going to simply measure this, and it will be the same whether it is a green candle or a red candle. In both cases, you are going to simply measure from the top to the bottom. So let's see the range of this to show you what I'm talking about. So I am still in the measurement tool right here, and I'm going to start from the top of this candle until the bottom of it, so from the close to the open, and this is going to be the distance of this candle body, which is coming at 6.6 pips. So right here, 6.6 pips. Let's see the range of this candle right here. So we start from here all the way down to the close, somewhere right here. It will be 9.6 pips. What we are interested in is that the range of the current candle that just closed, because you are going to do your analysis right here at the close or towards the close of every hour, not really at the close, because you want to give yourself few minutes to actually do the analysis and maybe set up any order that you will have. So towards the end of the hour, you are going to come right here and you are going to measure the range of the current candle that is currently in play right now, and that is about few minutes only until it actually closes. So we are going to measure the current candle right here. It will be this one right here all the way to right here, and we are coming at 29.1 pips. So right now we know the range of the current candle. What we want to happen right now is that this range, the current range, has to be the biggest range across all of the last 20 candles to its left, and we really don't need to do any measurement right here, because simply by looking at it with our own eyes only, it is very clear that this range right here is the biggest of all of these. But if it was tough to call, maybe there is also a big candle right here that you are not sure, maybe it is bigger than the current candle, then just measure it. Measure every candle that you are not sure about and just make sure that its range is less than the current candle range. Right now, once we have this rule triggered, so it's simply like this. Is the current candle range the biggest range in the last 20 candles? Yes or no? If the answer is no, then we simply will not have a trade in euro dollar in this hour. But if the answer is yes, which is the case right here, then we are simply going to sell the next candle. So the next candle right here, let me drag one to the left, one to the right. We are simply going to open a sell position right here and then close at the end of that hour. So it will be, I will call it a time trade. Our stop loss in this trade will be a time stop loss. Our take profit in this trade will also be a time take profit. So this is how it will go. We are simply going to short the market at the open of this hour. Our stop loss, there will be only a time stop loss. There will be no fixed price level stop loss, meaning that we are going to keep the trade open. And we really don't care what happens in this hour. We lose money, we make money, we go nowhere. We really don't care. We will keep the trade open for one candle. In this time frame, it will be for 1 hour, and then at the end of the hour, we are simply going to close the trade. And again, we don't care. Did we make money? Did we lose money at the end of the hour? We are going nowhere at the end of the hour. Simply close the trade after 1 hour, and that's it. And in this case, obviously, we did make some money. So how many pips we made? We made 12.3 pips. Yeah, around 12.3 pips. we got our win, and then off to the next trade. So you are going to do this analysis at the open of every hour. Let us see for this hour. Let's say that, you just had a trade right here. You closed the trade in a profit. Right now, you want to do the same analysis again because you want to trade this hour as well. And therefore, you are simply going to repeat the same process again. You are going to look at the current candle right here, and you are going to see the range of it. And right here, it is 12 pips of range, and you are going to ask yourself, is this range the biggest range across all of the last 20 candles or not? And right here, the answer is no, obviously, because this candle right here has a bigger range. Therefore, in this hour, we will not have a trade in the euro dollar, but you might have a trade in another pair, in another market. And let us just scroll a bit to have one or more trades just to show you guys. Right now, I'm only interested in seeing a candle that has a bigger range than this one right here, because until then we are not going to have a trade. So let us even move right, and right here I'm going to stop, because right now we really don't care about this candle anymore, because probably we are at 20 candles right here. As you remember, we are only concerned about the last 20 candles, and right here I think this will be more than 20. So if we are going to measure from here, and 19, 20, so actually right now this is candle number 20, the big candle, one candle to the right, and we really don't care about this candle anymore because it will be out of the 20 candles range. So right now I just want to see a candle that has a bigger range than these candles right here. So let us continue. So we have this candle. It definitely has the biggest range right here, but are we counting this candle? Because if we are, then we are not going to have a trade. Let us see. So this is going to be candle number 1 all the way to 19, 20. So we don't have a trade because we are counting this candle, and this candle has a bigger range than this one. So let's see. And right here, right off the bat, we definitely will have a trade after this candle. So let us see. Does this candle range has the biggest range across all of the 20 candles to its left? Yes, obviously, even bigger than this right here. And therefore, we are going to simply buy the market for 1 hour or for one candle after this candle close. And therefore, we are going to buy right here, and we are going to exit the trade after 1 hour of time. So we are going to exit the trade right here. And again, when I say that there will be no stop loss, yeah, there will be a stop loss, but right here it will be a time stop loss, because really stop losses can be a lot of types. It can be a fixed price level. If we hit that price level, then you exit the trade for a loss. This is the most common one, but it is not the only one. We have a time stop loss, so meaning that after 1 hour we exit the trade. Or we have a condition stop loss. For example, if the price goes above the moving average of 50, for example, then we are going to exit the trade. It can be a lot of types right here. So anyway, we have a win right here, and so on and so forth. I really don't want to make this video about backtesting, because if I do even one more right here, then it will be a backtest. So here's that. This is the trading strategy. 20 candles and profit, meaning that 20 candles, and then you have a candle that has the biggest range across the last 20 candles. Then you enter the trade, you profit. However, not every trade will obviously make money. There will be some losses here and there, and overall we are going to make money. That is what we care about. Over the long term, we will make money. Right now, if you know me, you know that I am an automated trader. Therefore, of course, I automated this trading strategy, and let me show you right now the performance of it. Alright, so here we are at the MetaTrader 4 platform. I did code this trading strategy. It's straightforward. It only took from a few minutes of time, and we are testing the bond dollar in the year 2021 from January 1st until today. And let us see, of course, we are at the hourly time frame, and by a fraction of a second we get the results. Imagine doing this backtest in TradingView manually right here, and you have to log in every trade in a spreadsheet. Look, if you are going to be a manual trader, you will have to do all of your backtests manually, and let us imagine how many hours you are going to put only in your backtest in the year. It will be something like 50 hours minimum. Now imagine if you take this 50 hours in this year, and instead of putting it in manual backtest, you simply learn the skill of coding in MT4, which is pretty straightforward. A lot of my clients picked it up in only a few days from scratch, and therefore you are going to make a very smart investment in yourself by learning this skill of automating your trading strategies and automatically backtesting them instead of doing the manual backtest. You are not going to lose any time in learning, because you are simply going to take the time you would have spent right here manually, but you spend it instead in learning the skill of automated trading. So it's really a good trade-off right here. Anyway, that was a rant I wasn't planning to conduct, but let us see the performance right here. You simply click on the graph, and this is the equity curve. So as you see, we have been doing pretty well from January 1st until when? Until April 2 of 2021, and then I think only for 1 month. Yeah, for 1 month, which is the April month in 2021, we were going down, and then we are slightly going back up again. So this is the performance, and this is the trading strategy. Right now, I want to say the most important thing. Don't go ahead and directly trade this trading strategy with your real money. Never do that. Ever. Not even if I show you like a real historical performance of this trading strategy, because it is your own hard-earned money. You don't want to throw it away or invest with it that easily. You always have to do your own research, your own homework. That and what I'm talking about right here is, for example, backtest this trading strategy. If you don't know how to code as of yet, spend some time in manually backtesting it right here. Make sure that it is really profitable. Maybe make it your own as well, which I really recommend a lot. Make it your own. Maybe add a fixed price level stop loss, or maybe add a filter indicator. Maybe add a secondary target or a third target, or trail your stop once you are in the trade. Play around with it, make it your own, and make sure it is profitable before you trade it with real money. And that is it. If you have any question about this trading strategy, then please let me know down in the comment section below. Me or one of my team, but probably me this time, I will get back to you. And finally, if you like this type of value, then I have something even 100 times better for you. I'm talking about giving you for free one of my own automated trading systems, actually the best automated trading system I have ever created in my 11 years of trading right now. I used to always say I am a 10 years trader, but right now I realize I'm no longer 10 years trader. I am an 11 years trader right now. So the best automated trading system that I have ever created, and in this trading system I actually have been developing it non-stop for almost 2 years right now, working directly on this trading system, and I have learned a lot over 11 years, and you can imagine how powerful this trading system it will be. And guess what, if you register in this event that I'm holding very soon in the link below, and you attend it live, then I am going to share it with you all for free. So I really can't wait to conduct the event. I will see you there, and I will give you my automated trading system right there for free. See you there. Talk soon. Take care.